Proceed. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Natuhorun Aikitwar. I want to explain why do I choose this music. Your Song by Parokya ni Edgar. In first verse, he sang, "It took one look and forever laid out in front of me. One smile, then I died, only to be revived by you." Unang tingin pa lang kasi, I want to relate this music to me and my parents or my mother, especially my mother. Uh, why, how much relate this music to myself and to my mother? From the first lyrics, it took one look. Parang nung nakita ko pa lang yung tingin ni mami sa akin. Parang sa second verse, and forever lit out in front of me. One smile, then I died, and little bit by bit. Napag-alaman ko na siya lang yung nagbibigay, nakikita ko pa lang yung ngiti niya. Kahit isang ngiti pa lang niya is parang namamatay na ako sa sobrang saya. At sa lahat man ng maraming pagsubok na dumating, only to be revived by her or only to be revived by you. From the second verse, there I was, everything, there I was, thought I had everything figured out. Goes to show just how much I know. Akala ko, alam ko na yung lahat ng bagay. Pero akala ko lang pala. Kasi hindi lahat ng bagay alam pala natin. Minsan kailangan talaga natin yung magulang natin. Kailangan ko talaga yung magulang ko para malaman ko kung ano yung bagay na yun. Kasi marami pa akong hindi alam na mga laro ng buhay. Laro sa tunay na buhay. Napili ko pala ang music na to kasi nung pumunta na ako, umalis na ako sa aking kanlo, umalis na ako sa bahay namin. Akala ko, alam ko na yung lahat, kaya ko na. Pero, mas hinahanap-hanap ko pa pala yung alaga nila, yung aruga nila sa akin kahit hindi na ako, kahit matanda na ako. From the chorus, I take one step away, then I find myself coming back. Umalis ako nung nag-aral ako dito sa Cotabato City. Hindi umalis na ako sa bahay na parang ang sabi ko, kaya ko na yung sarili ko. But in the end, alam ko sa sarili ko, nakikita ko sa sarili ko na kahit anong gawin ko, babalik at babalik pa rin ako sa magulang ko. Babalik pa rin ako sa parents ko. From the lyrics, then I find myself coming back. And so, this music is my relief. Ito yung nagbibigay sa akin ng relaxation pag naaalala ko sila. Naalala ko sila doon sa bahay. Because dito kasi ako ngayon I'm currently living here in Cotabato City. Uh, so it's very difficult to live or to walk away, to step away from your sanctuary. But because of pangarap, we need I need to grow in other place. But unfortunately, ang hinahanap-hanap ko pa rin is yung aruga, yung alaga ng isang magulang, isang nanay. So, ganun po karelate ang sarili ko sa music, sa kanta ng parokya ni Edgar na Your Song. And I hope na sana lahat tayo is ng sana lahat tayo is I hope that even we step away to our shelter, to our sanctuary, just remember anytime, just remember that your shelter is always open if you're coming back. Because what my mother said, she said to me that everything that everything or anytime that I feel sad, I feel my heart will heavy or I feel stressed, he said, she said, anytime you want to go home, the house is always open to you. I'm not step away to my shelter na may sama ng loob. Umalis ako sa bahay para pagtuunan or para mak po para mag-aral sa University ng Cotabato State Cotabato sa Cotabato State University. So what I said, this music is dedicated to my mother, and this is my illustrate or my drawing. So you can figure out that the mother hug his son. So gusto kong parang ako yung bumalik, ako yung bata na gusto pa rin mahagkan ng magulang. And this explanation is only from my heart and my brain. So if this would make you confused or malito kita, ma'am, because Lahat ng sinasabi ko dito is nanggagaling sa puso ko. Kung gaano ko nami-miss, kung gaano ko kamahal yung magulang ko, yung parents ko. Lalong-lalo na yung ermat ko. So, it's okay. This is the last time. Hope this would make me ease. And thank you for watching my explanation. Again, my music as the music I choose is Your Song by Parokya ni Edgar. You can listen it in Spotify, YouTube, Facebook, any music platforms or any platforms you can visit or you can hear their music. And thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh.